What's up, tech enthusiasts? Want to stay ahead of the curve in an ever-evolving world of technology? Stick around as we dive into the exciting benefits and potential risks of artificial intelligence for software developers. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. AI is taking the tech world by storm. From recognizing patterns to making predictions, AI is transforming how we develop software. Let's break down how AI can enhance every stage of your development lifecycle. First up, AI can automate repetitive tasks, taking care of mundane coding chores and giving you more time for creative problem solving. Imagine AI-generated boilerplate code or automated bug fixes. Sounds amazing, right? Enhanced software testing. AI can sniff out bugs and vulnerabilities faster and more accurately than manual testing, leading to higher quality software and quicker release cycles. Next, improve code quality. AI assists in code review, suggesting improvements and ensuring your code meets the highest standards. Cleaner, more efficient code means happier developers and optimized development processes. AI analyzes your workflow and offers optimization suggestions, boosting your overall efficiency and productivity. It can even predict project timelines and resource requirements with incredible accuracy. Ready to infuse your development process with AI? Focus on these three crucial steps. Learn AI technologies. Get proficient with AI tools and frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. Familiarize yourself with Python, a key language in AI development. Stay up to date on industry trends. Follow AI research, attend conferences, and participate in webinars to stay on the cutting edge of AI developments and their impact on software development. Implement AI projects. Start small, gain some hands-on experience. As you become more confident, take on more complex AI-driven applications. AI is revolutionizing software development and offering incredible benefits and opportunities. By understanding AI and integrating it into your process, you'll boost your efficiency, improve your code quality, and create innovative solutions that stand out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure and like it and subscribe to our channel for more tech insights. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay up to date on the latest content. Check out the links in the description below for valuable resources to continue your AI journey.